60% of this video pipeline was already sitting in a project I built for a completely different channel. And that's the part nobody talks about when they show you automation. Why build this? Because making dev videos manually is slow. You spend hours writing scripts, recording screen, syncing audio. I wanted a system that takes a project's source code and notes and spits out a finished narrated video. Automatically. No heavy frameworks, just plain Python modules, ElevenLabs, and ffmpeg. The first module is scout.py. It scans GitHub trending and hacker news for interesting projects. Then it asks DeepSeek, not to summarize the news, but to give a sharp builder's take. The commentary is original, not a rehash of the README. Next, director.y.py takes that grounded brief and writes a long-form script as JSON. The structure is fixed. Hook, context, build demo, payoff, CTA. The system prompt has a truth gate that forbids inventing numbers or facts not in the source, but it still leaks. The AI once added 3 months that wasn't there. ElevenLabs.py synthesizes the voice. It caches each clip by a content hash. If the same text appears again, it reuses the audio. No double billing. I use ElevenLabs because the voice quality is good enough for long form. Autocap.py renders the actual source code as clean, dark IDE-style cards. It deliberately does not screen record the full desktop. That would leak private browser tabs. Instead, it captures code snippets as images, styled like VS Code. Assemble.py renders each segment as its own small clip. A visual stretched to match the narration length, with libus captions split into short chunks. Then it concatenates them. The key trick, using many small ffmpeg calls instead of one giant filter graph. That avoids WinError 206, the Windows command length crash that long videos hit. Finally, upload.py pushes the finished file to YouTube through the data API with OAuth. It sets title, description, tags, all from the script JSON. One command, video goes live. Hard lessons. The truth gate still leaks. The AI invented a 3 months timeline that wasn't in the source. That's exactly why a human review gate before publishing is non-negotiable. Also, about 60% of this infrastructure was reused from an earlier video pipeline I built for a different channel. And the safest, most policy-proof visual is your own real code, not stock footage. If you build systems like this, subscribe. I share the real numbers, the trade-offs, the bugs. No hype, just the pipeline.